Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Arc Raiders server slam, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the solutions. First solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Solution 2. Clear Arc Raider server slams cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Arc Raider server slam game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch Arc Raider server slam and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account and remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Arc Raider server slam and see if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run Arc Raider server slam from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. So to do this, type Arc Raider server slam in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game. Now I hope this will help you. Solution 7. Switch network connection. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. Go to Xbox settings. In general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select the alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Last solution is to reinstall Arc Raider server slam. So if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Arc Raider server slam from your Xbox. Then restart your Xbox and then fresh reinstall the game. Then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these were some of the fixes that can help you to fix Arc Raider server slam, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.